meteorologist Frances Payton.
Well, it is a hot and humid day. We're looking at that tropical moisture continuing to surge northward, which is why our humidity has increased, but also we're looking at heat indices closer towards the triple digits, which means I really hope everyone's able to stay cool, go back to the summertime procedure of just staying inside in the afternoon hours where it is so hot. But getting straight into the weather, we're continuing to track Laura, but for today, we're more importantly looking at the heat and the chance of seeing some storms for here. As you see, your dew point temperatures in the low 70s, but feels closer towards 100 degrees this afternoon. Right now, sitting at 91 in the Richmond area. Other dew point temperatures ranging from the low to mid 70s. That's just representing the tropical air mass that we're going to deal with for the remainder of the day and even over the weekend, as we can expect to deal with remnants of Laura over the weekend. Currently, however, seeing dry conditions on your satellite and radar. Keep a close eye on your satellite and radar, especially in the later evening hours, as we'll be tracking the chance of seeing scattered showers as well as storms throughout the area. Bringing things now to Laura, should have a water vapor image, or here, sky tracker image. We have dry skies currently, but that's what I was trying to pull up. Image of Laura. It's currently a Category 1, but it is a strong Category 1. We have plenty of tropical storm warnings and still hurricane warnings in effect for Louisiana, and those even creep into Arkansas. So we're looking at Laura remaining as a Category 1 for the remainder of today, likely weakening to a tropical storm between late tonight and very early Friday morning. But then Laura starts to take a northeasterly track, and that's when we can expect to see the remnants of Laura impact central Virginia, mainly in the later portion of the day on your Saturday. So our threats for the area look to be some damaging wind gusts, about 20 to even close to 30 miles an hour, but rainfall totals will range from 1 to 2 inches. Not looking at the threat of seeing flash flooding, but I wouldn't rule out some localized flooding. And then with the tropical air, we do have the possibility of seeing a few isolated tornadoes. Now, the tornado threat isn't high, but it's not exactly a zero. So we're sitting in a slight risk on Saturday for severe weather, as we'll be tracking a few severe storms throughout the area. Right now, we're dealing with dry conditions, plenty of sunshine above, and temperatures, they are heating up today. We're looking at our highs in the low to even the mid 90s this afternoon. If you do notice that drop in those temperatures closer towards the evening hours, that's when we'll be tracking a few isolated showers and storms, bringing a bit of relief from the heat, at least in the evening hours. Best chance we're seeing any activity starts about 6 o'clock this evening. We'll maintain those rain chances even in the overnight hours, as we can expect to see a few isolated showers waking up very early on Friday morning, and then looking at predominantly another chance of seeing rain showers to even a few storms, not until Friday in the evening hours. But main thing that we are tracking is going to be on Laura. Laura impacts us on Saturday. We'll continue to deal with heat and humidity. Behind Laura, however, will be cooler temperatures and a touch of relief from humidity. So the start of next week will feel quite comfortable with temperatures in the 80s and a touch lower humidity. Cheryl?
Thank you, Frances. And of course, Frances, in all this